Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446. Now, I'm outside with the Nano VNA. I'm not sure if you can see that. Looks a bit out of focus actually. With the Take My Yagi, and there's the point at which I would tune it. Now, let's see if I can get this to focus. There we go. So, I want it to be resonant at roughly the middle of the 2 metre band at 145 megs. It has an SWR, focus back on the screen there, of 1.32 to 1. So that means it's working okay. It's a bit windy out here, so I'm not sure how that's being picked up on the microphone. I'm using the headset microphone. I've actually got the receiver in my hand, so it might put a bit of buzz on the recording, but that's unfortunate. But, you know, if I can't actually get the SWR curve there. There we go. Yeah, I can now. So slightly higher towards the top of 2 metres, but goes slightly lower towards 146 megs, because I think the specification for this is more aimed at America. So that's what I'm getting here. So what I'll do is I'll drop some photographs in the video showing what we're actually getting here. So it's not so bad. So I'll drop those on at the end. So it's Paul, Mike 0 Whiskey November uniform, or 26 Charlie Tango 730 if you catch me on 11 metres and PMR 446. Now, don't need to tune this, because that's perfectly fine, but if I did, I'd adjust it there. So I'll drop some photographs in of what I'm seeing on the VNA, and I'll catch you in the next video. 7 3s for now, guys.